Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app, you should just go to settings as you see and you click. After that, in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of LinkedIn and you will enter. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.